So today I'm repotting my plants for the first time. I have my dump cane here. I'm just going to put it into a bigger pot that I purchased from the store. As you can see, my little cousin is helping me today. We are disposing of this dirt that you see here. Next, I have my pothos. I actually went back and added more dirt after I recorded the video because it was sitting kind of low and I wanted it raised a little higher. In today's video, I'm just using regular potting soil, the cactus and citrus soil, and perlite. Here you will see my nerve plant. It had a lot of roots. I wanted to break it apart, but that didn't work out, so I ended up just sticking it into its own pot, adding soil around it, and I actually added rocks to give it a prettier look. As I stated, this is my first time doing this. Okay, so now I have my aloe vera plant. I had two of them that were kind of hanging, so I went ahead and took them off. I actually put them into their own pot after the video. I also have a snake plant. I did put more holes into this pot, but I'm doing the same process, mixing the perlite, the cactus soil, and the regular potting soil, and putting rocks on top of the plants. I have a fairy washboard as well. I did the same steps with that, and these are just a few mums that I got. This is my first time with these as well. I'm taking them out of their pots from the store and replanting them, and hopefully they will live. I will give you an update in a few days. Okay, so this is what my plants look like after I repotted them. The rocks make them look so much better. Hopefully they will like them. So here's a 5-day update. Everything is still alive and growing. I did add a pink and green nerve plant, which I will repot that one as well in a few days, or I may wait a few weeks just to let it get established in the environment. Here is my dump cane. I have to do more research to see why it's curling up at the bottom, but the top is still growing and looking very pretty. Thank you guys for watching. That is all I have today.